Welcome to my channel. Today we are solving a complex logarithmic equation, that is 1 plus log p minus x with base a over log x plus q with base a, that is equal to 2 minus log 4 with base p minus q over log x plus q with base p minus q. Here we need to find x value. Observe the given logarithmic equation. In left hand side, at numerator we have logarithm expression with base a, and denominator also a logarithm expression with base a. And in right hand side we have a logarithm expression with base p minus q, and denominator also with the base p minus q. That means left hand side and right hand side both are in different bases. So in this case, if you try to solve all parts at a time, then it is going to be a bit difficult. What you have to do, let's break down the equation into smaller parts, then solve, isn't it? So first what you have to do, first take only the LHS part, that means left hand side part. First we solve this. Second, we solve the right hand side only the numerator part, and the third we have to solve right hand side denominator part. So we are going to solve in 3 parts of this given logarithmic equation. So it is easier to simplify. That's what I'm taking. First left hand side, and then right hand side numerator, and then right hand side denominator. Let's take the left hand side. Here we have only 1, so we can, here we have in fraction form. So in this case we can do the LCM. So if you do LCM here, you will get log x plus q with base a, and the numerator is log x plus q with base a plus log p minus x with base a. Now observe the numerator part. It is in the form of log a plus log b. According to the logarithm property, we can write this as log ab, isn't it? So same like that, we can write this numerator part as log x plus q times p minus x over log x plus q with base a. Here we have x plus q times p minus x. So first simplify that. So if you expand the terms, you will get px, then minus x square plus pq minus qx. So we have x square term, so just write first that x square term. After that we have px term. So if x take it as common, so then we are left with only p minus q. So x square term also done, so you are left only with the constant term, that is pq. After expanding this, we got minus x square plus x times p minus q plus pq. Substitute back in our equation. Over, we have this one, log x plus q with base a. After simplifying the left hand side term, we got this expression. Let's go and check the right hand side, the numerator term. We have 2 minus log 4 with base p minus q. Now first observe this, only the log 4 with base p minus q part. Here we can use one of the logarithm property, that is log b with base a. We can write this expression as log b with base c, that means with another base, over log a with base c. Similarly, our term, you can write this as log 4 with base a over log p minus q with base a. So why I am taking base a? Because in LHS we have with base a. So if you take here base a, so that is easy to simplify at end of the solution. So that's why I am taking with base a here. Now again do LCM here. So you will get, in the denominator we have log p minus q with base a. In the numerator you will get 2 times log p minus q with base a minus log this 4, we can write it as 2 square with base a. Now only observe this term. We can use one more logarithm property here, that is log of a power m. We can write this as m times log a. So according to this formula, we can write this log 2 power 2, we can write this as 2 times log 2 with base a. Here we have 2 log p minus q with base a, and here we have 2 log 2 with base a. So that's why 2 take it as common, so you will get 2 times log p minus q base a minus log 2 with base a. Now here it is in the form of subtraction, so we can use logarithm, one more logarithm property here, that is log a minus log b, we can write this as log a over b. We can write this our expression as 2 times log p minus q over 2 with base a over the numerator form. After using this logarithm property, we written like this, log p minus q over 2. That is a numerator term. Now you have to write the denominator part, that is log p minus q with base a. This is the RHS numerator term. Now still we need to do the denominator part. So what is the denominator part? Log x plus q with base p minus q. Here we can use change base property, that is log a with base b, we can write this as log a with base c over log b with base c. Similarly, our denominator term we can write this as log x plus q with base a over log p minus q with base a. This is our denominator term, RHS denominator term. Now we are going to take all simplified terms. After simplifying the left hand side part, we got this term, isn't it? That is equal to the right hand side. After simplifying the numerator, we got 2 log p minus q over 2 with base a over log p minus q. This is the numerator term. After simplifying the denominator, we got this log x plus q with base a over log p minus q with base a. This is the denominator term. If you take it to up hand side, then it becomes log p minus q. Here log p minus q gets cancelled. So the right hand side only are left with 2 log p minus q over 2 with base a over log x plus q with base a. This is our right hand side. Now in the denominator we have log x plus q with base a, and right hand side also we have log x plus q with base a. We can cancel these two terms. So we are left only with the numerators. So we left only with this part. From here we need to find the x value. Observe this part. It is in the form of m log a. According to the logarithm property, we can write this as log of a power m. Similarly, we can write this part log base a p minus q over 2 whole power 2. Now here we have log with base a and here we have log with base a. So take antilog on both sides, cancel out the log, then you are left only with this expression, that is minus x over 2 plus x times p minus q plus pq, that is equal to p minus q over 2 whole power 2. So if you take this part to left hand side, you will get minus p minus q over 2 whole power 2, that is equal to 0. So this is the constant term. This is the x coefficient term. This is x square. After simplifying all this logarithm expression, we got quadratic equation. Now using our quadratic formula, we are going to find the x value of this logarithm equation. What is the formula to find the quadratic equation? That is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. From here, first we will find out this b square minus 4ac part. That is the discriminant part, b square minus 4ac. So from the given expression, so a value is minus 1, b value is p minus q, and this is c value. Substitute here, p minus q whole power 2 minus 4 times a means minus 1 and c means pq minus p minus q over 2 whole power 2. P minus q whole power 2 minus 4 times minus 1, which gives plus 4. After expanding this closed brackets, we got plus 4q minus 4 times p minus q whole power 2 over 2 power 2. So this 2 power 2 is nothing but 4. This 4 gets cancelled. So now we are left only with minus p minus q whole power 2. Here plus p minus q whole power 2 and minus p minus q whole power 2 gets cancelled. So then we are left with only 4pq. So b square minus 4ac, the value is 4pq. If you take square root on both sides, then you get 2 square root of pq. Square root of b square minus 4ac, the value is 2 square root of pq, and the b value is minus of p minus q over 2 and a value is minus 1 minus p minus q plus or minus 2 times square root of pq, and this is minus 2. So here minus gets cancelled. So then left only the x value is p minus q plus or minus 2 square root of pq over 2. This is the x value of this logarithm expression. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.